First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for the organizers for holding this conference. I'm Dr. Ha Cẩm Thu from Family Hospital, Vietnam. And this is the first time I visit Dubai and attend this very important conference for our research. For me, it's very interesting to meet other researchers, and their presentation is very interesting, and I very impressed for their presentation a lot. For me, it's a very good inspiration for attending this meeting, this conference in Dubai. Thank you so much.